Hi, I'm Stuart from Leaky Plumbers. I've been asked to review the Sweatbox. I think of it more as a tool, as a soldering station, if I'm honest with you. It's actually got places where it will hold 15mm pipe nice and securely, allowing you to actually, if you place your couplings on, but it will actually hold them in place so that you can solder through different angles. I do like that. Just assisting a neater, cleaner finish to the solder. It also does, which you'd expect, the 22 pipe, and again, nice and snug. 22 pipe, it's obviously slightly heavier, but it's still holding it in place where we want it to be so I can solder around it. There are also handy places for your gas gun, your pen or flux brush, all the things you need, your solder, your flux, your cutters, and indeed some fittings if you needed to. The other thing, if you needed a bit more weight or stability to it, there's nothing wrong with pouring some water in it to give that extra weight, and also, you know, something to cool or use in the event of a problem. On first appearances, you'll probably ask, as I did, the question: a plastic box with a gas bottle and a blowtorch. It just doesn't seem to comprehend. But be reassured, it's actually made from fire retardant polypropylene, and it takes away the need to make improvised holders for pipe, or we've all done it where you've got it gripped in something or another fitting. You start to solder it, it falls over, it's hot, you can't pick it up because it's locked. This takes away that problem, and I think there's actually a health and safety benefit from it, in the fact that you probably will be reducing burns, and you could have water in there for cooling in the event of you get any burns. So all in all, I think, yeah, Sweatbox, I think a better terminology for it would actually be a soldering station, because that to me is what it is. It's portable, it's light, it's solid, it's a solid construction, and it's rigid. And equally, it's a nice bright colour, so you're not going to sort of trip over it. Customers aren't going to trip over it if they're sitting in a property, and you're not going to forget it or lose it in the dark or in the shade. So all in all, I think it's a great idea. It really works. It looks professional. It looks more professional if you're outside using what I would call my soldering workstation, as opposed to having it trapped in gates or in different holders. And it does what it says on the tin, but I think from a professional point of view, it's really good. I think at the end of the day, overall, it's an excellent product, just what you would expect from Monument, and I can't fault it. So I think it actually, when you look into it and when you actually consider the benefits, the construction materials it's made of, then it justifies its price. So once again, I think it's a cracking piece of kit, the Sweatbox, and yeah, it will be regularly used by myself.